Now we will see about the modifications of leaves. In some plants, the leaf or part of leaf is modified into different structure to perform a special function. This we call it as leaf modification. The leaves will modify into different structures. Three different structures are there, we'll see. First structure is called leaf tendril. This leaf tendril is the form for support, giving support for the plants. Then spines. This is for conserving water and for protection. For two purposes are there: conservation of water and protection. Two purposes. And scale leaves. The scale leaves are for protection. So for different function, to perform different function, different structures are there, and this is called modification, leaf modification. Now we will see one by one the leaf modification one by one. First, leaf tendril. Same modification. A leaf tendril is a modified leaf with a wire-like coiled structure that is used by climbing plants for support. The climbers for support. For example, sweet pea, garden pea, etc. You might have seen the climbing trees. They are having a coiled spring-like structures. It is called leaf tendril. Now we'll see this a climber. In this climber you can see a coiled structure. A coiled structure. This coiled structure, spring-like structures you can see along with the leaves, a spring-like structure you can see. And this is called leaf tendril. This you can see in the climbers, climbing plants, especially money plants, beetle plant, etc. Or in pea plants you can see this type of leaf modifications. The next leaf modification is spines. Why the leaf is modified into spines? The spines are modified leaves which protect the plant from two purposes: loss of water and grazing animals. To escape from animals and to avoid loss of water. For example, cactus, lemon plant, aloe vera, all these things you can see spines along with the leaves. In cactus, a fleshy stem is there along with the green color, and in that you can see thorns are there, the spines. These spines are the modified leaves, especially this cactus and all lives in a desert climate, desert condition. So you know that they need very less amount of water. So the water which what they have in their body need to preserve for protecting the plant from loss of water. Need to avoid loss of water by transpiration and all. The leaves are modified into spines. The next leaf modification is scale leaves. Scale leaves are modified leaves that protect the buds. Buds, you know that the growing new plant buds. To protecting the for protecting the buds, a scale leaves are there. We'll see the examples also. The fleshy scale leaves stores food material also. Two functions: protection and storing of food materials for the scale leaves. Please note that scale leaves may be thin and dry or thick and fleshy. Two types of scale leaves are there. Sometimes it may be thin and dry like in onion, and thick and fleshy like in ginger. So here two examples I give here. Scale leaves you can see in the onion. The outer part, this tip is called, this is a diagram of onion. This onion, this tip part is called tunic. This is a papery outer covering. Out the outer surface of the onion you can see a papery structure, paper-like structure. A paper-like structure in the outer surface you can see. This outer covering is called tunic, and inside there you can see this scales, like this, layer by layer by layer by. This is called scale. These are the modified leaves. These are called scale leaves for protecting the bud. Bud is in the center here. In the center we can see bud in the center of the onion. Bud, and below that the basal plate is there. Basal plate, and below that roots. Roots will are there below that. So this is the structure of onion. In onion, outer covering called tunic, inner scale leaves, and bud inside, and the basal plate is the stem. This is a stem, basal plate, and below that root. This is structure of onion. And the structure of ginger. Ginger, we can see scale leaves which is covering the ginger, the fleshy part for storing food is covering. This line you can see. So these are scale leaves which is covering for the protection of ginger. So in ginger also this line by line you can see in the ginger. It is called scale leaves. Now based on this class we'll answer some questions. First, explain the following terms. First, leaf tendril. Second, spines. And third, scale leaves. Explain these three terms. And second question, write two examples for each. For leaf tendril, two examples, spines, two examples, and scale leaves also two examples you find out and write. This is the homework.